Hello everyone, in this project, I'm working in a small courtyard of a bungalow. The task is to cut an opening in the floor for a flower bed and build its base with a curb. Let's get started. First, I make precise markings according to the client's specifications. Before cutting the opening, I create a test hole to check for any utilities beneath the tiles, no electrical wiring, plumbing, or pipes. Everything is clear, so I can proceed. I carefully cut the opening in the floor, remove all debris, and prepare the base. The flower bed has an L shape, and one corner is left without support. To reinforce it, I lay bricks underneath, creating a solid foundation. Next, I add an extra row of bricks along the inner perimeter of the flower bed. These will support the curb. The curb is 20 centimeters high, but the client requested that only 10 centimeters remain visible. So, by placing bricks inside the bed, I install the curb on top. Now its exposed height is exactly 10 centimeters. The final step is waterproofing to protect the structure from moisture. The job is done, and the flower bed is ready. If you like the result, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. More interesting projects are coming soon.